This episode, guys, I'm going to show you a way that Bitcoin can help you invest into Davor coin and how you can get to be a part of the most ambitious cryptocurrency project around. And I really am starting to think that, guys. I really didn't give this platform their due diligence in the ICO phase, and it really bit me in the ass. So I have invested pretty good into Davor, and I'm going to continue to grow my investment with Davor, and why I'm going to show you guys why I believe this platform right here is the new BitConnect, if not better than BitConnect. These guys have built a platform that is potentially better than BitConnect, and I will go ahead and say that. I feel confident in saying that because the way they have been running it and the people behind this, guys, I really truly believe in this one. A little bit of background on this: these guys that created this are from Paris. That's where they are associated, in Paris, and the developers behind the platform and the engineers behind the platform, some of them came from the banking industry, guys. They were former bankers, so they are smart with money. They know how to manage money, and they know what to do with your money, and they know how to make your money work for you and grow. So that's a big part here. I just like how they're very open, and I am following some other YouTubers that well tied with this company, and they actually are going to go to Paris and check them out, so that'll be exciting. But just what they've done, guys, with this platform, they have a very great lending platform with a $10 reinvest. They're actually adding in a auto reinvest feature, which is really neat. So that's amazing. No other lending platform has that right now. The way they do their staking, guys, you can either download their staking wallet onto your computer like normally and let that run, or if you don't want to sit there and let that run all day, you can actually now stake on the website, which is amazing. And that's the first ever platform I've seen that's offering that. Well, actually, ETHConnect's offering that, but theirs is a piece of shit, so that's another story for that. But Davor is actually running and working and paying out, and they're doing awesome. And then trading, obviously, and then affiliate program, okay? So you can get your own wallet if you want, and their interest rates, guys, have been insane. So look at this. On Christmas, guys, we're getting 2.25%. I mean, this is like Dragon Foundation. If you guys were, I hate to bring up Chain Group, but man, Dragon Foundation, guys, this is kind of how it was. So for this, guys, it's just totally amazing with these interest rates. I hope they can keep this going as long as possible. And they actually let you do a optional capital lock boost where you can add in an additional time and you can get an additional bonus. And then obviously the staking, you get 10% a month on their coin in the first year. So this is just the best lending platform I've ever seen put together, and they've actually done it, guys. They've done what they've said they're supposed to do, which is big for me. So I'm gonna log in and show you guys the back end and show you why I'm so excited about Davor. And I'm just kicking myself for not at least putting $100 into this ICO, because I could have been way better off than I am now. But you can't look back, you can only look forward in these investments, and so that's what we have to do now. So this is in front of us here, Davor, and so I'm gonna take advantage of these interest rates and their staking, and not think about how I could have made more money, but make money with what I have. So this is it here, guys. Once you log in, you can see this is the lending wallet. This is your Davor wallet. Okay, this is your investment, your active investment, how much you've earned. Okay, and then these are all your interest payments that have come in, or these are all your loans. Okay, showing your bonuses and your interest rates, your start and end and release dates. Because remember, every time you make a loan, you do get that capital back. Okay, so pretty amazing. I'm not going to do a reinvest because I have a certain time where I do my reinvests to make sure it's even. So it's about 10 o'clock my time when I do it. So I am going to make a reinvest. And the way you do it, guys, you just click on reinvest. You take it from your lending wallet. It has to be a minimum of 10. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be only increments of 10 like BitConnect. It's another reason why this is better than BitConnect currently. You can see here I've done these little reinvest 12, 12, 24, 18. So these little changes on there I wouldn't be able to do on BitConnect. So what I'm doing, guys, And just shout out to the team again. Thank you so much, guys, for jumping on, guys and girls, if you're in here. So very much appreciated. You guys saw the opportunity as well, so I'm glad I could show you that and have you be a part of the organization, my organization here with Davor. And I'm just so excited to see what this platform can do. So this $95 in commission that I have earned, I have stuck that right back into the platform because I do really believe in it. So I put in 115 of my own money. Okay, and what's funny is this 115 actually was from BitConnect, where I had let my interest build up for about 2 or 3 weeks. And what I did was I cashed out the Bitcoin and I sent it over here to Davor, bought some coins when they were around $12 or so, let it grow up to about 17, 18, and then I did a loan, guys, and now I'm compounding Davor, and I didn't have to put money out of my own pockets. So that's why I still like diversifying, you know, with all the other platforms, and then you can use them to work for you. So also, guys, what I told you in the beginning was the staking. So I have started to stake some. I took some of my commissions actually yesterday because of this new staking pool they have, and it's so convenient. You stick the coins in here. The only stipulation is you can't touch the coins for 14 days. You got to leave them in for 14 days, and then after 14 days, if you decide you don't want to stake them anymore, you can pull them out. Okay, so if you don't like that, download their wallet and you don't have to worry about that. But I like doing this. I don't have to worry about the wallet running. They pay me it directly to my DAV balance right here. You can see I've already earned a little bit here. I just started this yesterday. Okay, and it's just totally awesome. So you see this release date, that's when I can actually release it, but you can leave it in as long as you want. There's no certain time frame. So I'm going to leave this in and let it stake because I believe Davor, the way that they are going to be the next BitConnect. So I'm telling you guys, 1 year from today, this coin could be $200, $300 like BitConnect is today. All right, and I feel confident saying that because of the way that they have been showing their platform and how awesome it has been running. So, and their experience in this type of financial industry with the banking industry. So if they can make money in the banking industry, they can definitely make money in crypto. And I feel very confident putting a lot of money into Davor and compounding it for 1 to 2 or even 3 years. So we're going to see, guys. I'm going to bring up the spreadsheet and show you what this can be. But the staking, like I said, the staking, guys. So this 3.1 DAV, that's earning me 10% a month. So 3.18. So what I'm going to do, I'm just using that to kind of just do a separate little income stream. So every month I'll get me 0.318 DAV. Okay, that doesn't seem like much now when it's 20 bucks. Okay, so that's only $6.6 a month. However, if that were to ever go up to like BitConnect level, you know, we're talking, so let's say in 10 months, guys, we're at $200 a coin in this. Okay, you're looking at $63 a month just sitting here with the staking. Okay, and then I can take that and I can make a new loan with that every month if I wanted. Okay, so that's what's so awesome here, guys, with Davor, and just great potential. You get the staking side. Okay, you can do day trading if you're good at trading on their exchange. Okay, and then obviously the lending is where it's at with these interest rates. Just amazing. So let's bring up the spreadsheet and see what this can do. Okay, so this is a spreadsheet, guys. Anybody that joins the team here on Davor, just shoot me an email and I will send this your way to have for yourself. Okay, and you guys can track your investments with this and play around with it and see what you want to do. So we're at 208 on the investments. So let's bring that up, put in 208, and we'll just leave this at the conservative 1.85 because it's an average. Okay, so because we do get the bonus. And just a heads up, guys, like I told you in the other video, if you want to get that capital, the extra bonuses here, you have to do a minimum $100 loan. You have to do it through this way. Okay, if you want to do a reinvest, it doesn't accumulate. You can't add on the bonuses, but you can reinvest under $100. Like I said, minimum of 10. So if you're doing the bigger, if you have 1,000 in here or like 10,000 or whatever, I would recommend every time you reinvest, you send your lending balance over to your Dav wallet, and then you use your Dav wallet to do a loan and get the extra boost. Okay, so let's see what I will get here. So we'll keep it at the average 1 point. We'll just do 1.8 even, make it even more conservative. So if we let this compound, and my goal is to let this compound because my investment here was just free rolled, most of it, actually all of it. It's been free rolled, and affiliate commissions that I've been free rolling, and I am saving up to make a big investment here as well. I'm just waiting for some other things to unfold. So let's just see, we run this for 90 days, that's 3 months. Okay, so 90 days, we keeps at that interest rate. So in 90 days, we will, let's just say 91 days, we will have $1,000 now in here. Okay, and this isn't having to add any extra money. We're just sticking with the original investment amount. All right, and we're compounding it every day. And now we're at $1,000 in there. Okay, so that's only 3 months. That's only 3 months. Okay, so let's say this is like BitConnect, guys, and 1 year from today, this is the new BitConnect, and this coin, DavorCoin, is at $200, $300 a coin, and we've been compounding the whole time while we're staking, because we can take some profits from staking if we want to, and leave our lending balance alone, which is a great thing for staking, guys, because if the coin ever shot up to that high, we could just make our good money from staking if we wanted. Okay, we can let our loan grow. So you can see here, guys, 1 year from now is $208. Now keep in mind, if it keeps that current interest rate of 1.8, we're looking at $134,000 invested as our principal amount that we're earning daily interest off of. Okay, so that's going to net us $2,000 a day, or $880,000 in a year if we stop and collect at that point. So just incredible, guys. So that's why the risk and reward here with Davor is very, very high for the reward, and the risk is very low. Okay, $200, and in 1 year you could end up with $134,000. Okay, almost $1 million in 2 years. Okay, because if we stop right here and collect, that's $880,000, so that would take us 2 years. So 2 years from now, if Davor's around and paying out these interest rates, I'm going to have $880,000 in my pocket. All right, so let's just see what happens, you know, because right now we're getting that 1.8. So see how long that can ride, guys, and see what it can do. Because, you know, right now Davor is on CoinMarketCap. They are on exchanges. Everything's looking on the ups. Their coin has been skyrocketing. They're getting good volume. They get good volume on, and see, they did this right, guys, with their internal exchange. And I've been watching a lot of these ICOs, and I've been trying to track which ones have been successful, which ones coins have been successful, which platforms, and etc. The ones that have done it right, number one, they keep the coins on their platform. Okay, so like you invest in the coin. Most of them do this. So, like a few of them haven't done it that way, but most of them, they leave the coins there. But this is the kicker, guys. When they open up their internal exchange first. Okay, they open up. There's no external exchange, just like Hextra did. Okay, they open up their internal exchange first, let some trading go. Okay, this coin opened at about 10 and it fell to about $5. There was a point where the Davor was $5 a coin. It didn't stay there for very long, and then it went back up to 10, 15. Now it's at 21. Okay, so they open up that up first, then they get on an external exchange. They get the lending, they get people to do loans. Okay, and that's how they can sustain this. So I believe, you know, can it last 3 years to make that almost $1 billion? You know, who knows? But really, guys, this only has to last 1 or 2 years for you to really profit from this, and that's what I'm looking for. So I trust it. I trust Davor. I trust the people behind this platform, and I trust the people running it. So I'm gonna continue to compound and probably put some more money into this Davor coin and see how far and how long we can ride this, as well as the staking. Okay, so just a great thing there in Davor, guys. It's